they fire rap. I said, why? He said, bro, that's like in the military. It's like happy shit. I leave a day before my anniversary. My sisters and my brother, I said no fear. Cause I love you, bro. He say, I'll holler at you in the year. So a waiting game, praying I don't hear your name. Couldn't be still see my brother back on the stage. They made it, Caleb Samuel, no land, police in Idaho, bro. To me, the same when he threw. I miss my old something, I get stuck in my remember wins. Like that trip to Alabama last night was spent. Good times, slick rhymes, your mind sharper than mine. I spit your readings all the time, just to pass the time. Until you home, you hold it down, you just hold your own. I say a clown reminisce, right? Until my brother goodbye. Farewell till we meet again. While you out fighting wars that we might not win, just come home. And if you ever feel you alone, let this song make you feel at home. Until my brother goodbye. Farewell till we meet again. While you out fighting wars that we might not win, just come home. And if you ever feel you alone, let this song make you come right home.
I speak off of reminiscing time we had last weekend. I'm proud I can call you my dad. All the lessons that you taught me, man, they weren't so bad. You learned the way you ain't back when you think I was sad. I was lying to myself, I really didn't understand it. This is only God clean, why you take
a good man.
I'm just trying to stay strong, doing what you can. All your girls are taking care of, and your boys are turning man. Now that they passed me when I'm wishing you were real. Many years passed, I'm still learning from your teachers. When Jesus took you back, all of my life, it's just a meaning, but I can't wait for that final day that we'll be meeting again. All that precious time we spent, October 15th, lost a father, uncle, grandpa, and friend. I know that Jesus called you back to run the heavens with him, but I can't wait until the day I see my daddy and my father goodbye. Farewell till we meet again. I know you're with me, you're my comfort when I need a friend. You're there with all the time that is passing by. I know you're smiling from your castle on high. Until my father goodbye. Farewell till we meet again. I know you're with me, you're my comfort when I need a friend. You're there with all the time that is passing by. I hope you're smiling from your castle on high. Until my father goodbye. So I said, please, later. Every time I brother make my promise greater. You want the one that made me into what I am today. Couldn't live him, and now I see a couple come in the grave. You have my brothers written on these brothers to church in the wagon. My brothers so I'ma be my brothers, people while they struggle. My brothers, I'm so open to pass for your memory. When you're about to do something, uncle, watch the family. Everything is everything, remember that. Don't worry about everything, just concentrate on getting back. I'm welcome back again. I should do you this shit. Like you had the life of crime and knucklehead. Don't nobody tell you no different. Put your mind on whatever goes. Sometimes I was scared, man. You better wait for your little brother always safe. To my brother's face, I love this. To my brother, you rock. Farewell till we meet again. While you rock through the time, putting in the pen. I'm here. Repping your name the same until you free and get back into the game. To my brother, goodbye. Farewell till we meet again. While you rock through the time, putting in the pen. I'm here. Repping your name the same until you free and get back into the game. To my brother, goodbye. Dedicated to everybody, man. Love around for everyone, man. Yeah.